So here's my Mark II heat exchangers just come on. You can't see the numbers because the camera can't film very well, but it's about 61 degrees, the water going back to the hot water tank. This is a little charcoal burner here. As you see, the charcoal's in there just ticking over quite nicely, not doing anything too ferocious. And then I've also got a little thing for making baked potato in here. So that just takes the heat from the stove, and it's called a Dutch oven actually, and then the heat exchanger there's taking the heat from the exhaust and putting it into the hot water tank. So yeah, it's a Mark II. So I've made a bigger hot plate and I've modified it so that I can also bake or cook with that little oven on the top. Very pleased.